This video is in response to another video that I did. In that video, I said to stop applying your concealer straight from the applicator, whether it's a swoop or it's dots. And instead, I said to use a brush and apply that only where needed. Well, I got a lot of heat for it. A lot of people were telling me, well, that works for you because your under eyes are not that dark, which is true, my under eyes aren't that dark, but I also have great lighting. And then I got complaints saying it won't work on darker skin and it won't work on people who have really bad dark circles. And I'm here to debunk that. These are clips from my Concealer Made Easy mini course, which is a free bonus inside my Love Your Lids course. With this first model, I'm going to apply a thin layer of color correction to help neutralize the dark circles, and I apply it the same way that I said, with the brush using minimal product, and I'm gonna layer it on top the concealer shade that matches her, applied just like I previously taught you. Yes, she needs a little bit more coverage than I did, but less is still more. Purposeful placement is still what's important. And as you can see, it looks great and covered everything. And here's another model from that course. As you can see, she also has dark under eye circles, and when I applied the concealer, I actually used even less concealer than you think. I mixed an eye cream in with the concealer and then applied it so it didn't enhance her wrinkles. Still use less is more, and as you can see, it covered everything beautifully. When I joined TikTok, my goal was to teach pro makeup tips. So if you have a concealer that's full coverage and it's the right color for you, it should cover up what you need with the technique that I showed you. If it doesn't, that's when you add a color corrector. And if that still doesn't work, I would actually say you might need to look for another concealer because there's something that's just not mixing and you just have to go back to the drawing board. And it might not be what your favorite influencer is suggesting. Yes, there are multiple ways to apply your makeup, and if the way that you apply it, you're happy with it, then keep doing it. But I've had a lot of complaints from my clients and students that when they do those techniques, they hated the way it looks and it made them look older. That's why I teach the techniques that I do, because I'm here to give you a natural look but still have a full glam face.